Fire that broke out in Rajkot. This was at a gaming center, which resulted in the death of 28 people. Now, what's really happened in the latest in the Rajkot fire is that the High Court has slammed the Gujarat government, coming down heavily as far as the state government is concerned. Now, the High Court has gone on to say that they can't really trust the government when it comes to the state of Gujarat. Asking and questioning, slamming the government, asking if they've been sleeping for the past 4 years. This is in connection to the NOC regarding the gaming center. Many lapses as far as the safety is concerned. We're talking about 28 lives that have been claimed at that gaming center, which included many children because of that fire that broke out when some yielding work was being carried out. As far as the FIR, the accused people erected this 50-meter wide and 60-meter long structure with a height of around 2-3 story building using metal sheet fabrication to create this game zone. They did not have a proper firefighting equipment. They had not obtained the no objection certificate. The NOC certificate was not obtained, which is why the High Court has slammed the government, saying that we cannot trust the government. Were you sleeping for the last 4 years is what the court has said, coming down very heavily on the state government in Gujarat. This tragedy that erupted could have been averted had the safety norms been in place, especially in regard to the NOC. The NOC was not obtained from the local fire department, thereby endangering as far as the lives of those people. Remember, 28 people have lost their lives because of that blaze that took place in a structure that caused deaths and also a lot of injuries to others. So this is a tragic incident that occurred over the weekend, which included 5 people of the same family who died, who were out for a weekend, a night out on Saturday, which resulted in the death of 5 people of the 28. So these 5 people were family members of the same family. We have Paras joining us. Paras, take us through the details of what went on in court today. The High Court has come down very heavily on the state government of Gujarat, saying that they really can't be trusted.
Right, so this is a very major update because the Supreme Court has already, the Gujarat High Court has taken a suo motu in this entire matter, and they had given a reason that what has happened. They had asked questions to the government that what has happened, you have to answer that in front of respected Supreme Court of Gujarat, and after that the hearing started. So Supreme Court has asked the government that from last 4 years, this entire CRC game zone was running without a fire certificate. Why the government has not taken any stand or any action on the following CRC club? There are many important points which has been indicated by and which has been said to the government by the respected High Court of Gujarat, where they were asking after the sixth time this type of incident has happened in few years, why there is no action has been taken. So there are major points which have been put up by the High Court and asked the questions to the government in this entire matter.
Paras, getting us all the information. Of course, the owner and the partner of that Rajkot-based TRP game zone, and his manager have been arrested. Paras, the charges that they've been arrested on is culpable homicide, and this is, of course, raising alarm when it comes to such gaming centers which are perhaps opened in areas which are not very safe. When we talk about the safety norms that were flouted in regard to this, so the Rajkot Police Commissioner has gone on to say that the local police had granted a booking license to the gaming zone back in November of last year, which was renewed for the period from 1st of January this year till the 31st of December this year. So the game zone had received permissions from the Road and Buildings Department. It had also submitted a proof of fire safety equipment to obtain the fire NOC, which was under process and not yet completed. So there was no NOC as far as the place is concerned. There were many lapses that have come to light, which is why when we talk about the case that was taken up in the High Court, has definitely come down heavily on the state government, talking about how many lapses were made, and which is why they don't trust the Gujarat government, and asking and questioning whether they were sleeping for the last 4 years. Do remember that 28 people have died, which included a newly married couple. It included children. It included, some of the people who were here visiting from out of town. 28 people, to be precise, died in that fire that took place due to all the security lapses. None of the security norms were kept in place as far as the NOC is concerned. That wasn't obtained. With footage that has now that has come about, talking about the blatant violation of the safety norms in that gaming zone in Rajkot, where 28 people have died, including children. The footage appears of the kind of work that was underway around the ceiling of the gaming zone and falling onto a pile of wooden planks kept on the floor. And after a few minutes, there was smoke that was seen that was coming out from that pile of wooden planks. And that is what resulted in that fire that ended up claiming many lives, 28 to be precise, which also included children. So what is really being said here is that what's really come to light is that the gaming center was operating without an NOC as far as the fire norms are concerned from the fire department. The owner and the partner, as well as the manager of the gaming zone, have now been arrested for culpable homicide. The gaming center had fire safety equipment, but action that was taken as far as the controlling of the fire was concerned, that was not sufficient, leading to that tragedy. We're talking about the no objection certificate that was not obtained. It wasn't completed. What authorities are really saying is that it was the work that was going on which caused that sparking. There was that spark that fell onto these wooden planks, which resulted in a fire that erupted in that gaming zone, in which 28 people have died. The bodies were charred beyond recognition, and they had to complete the process of collecting the DNA samples of the bodies and relatives in order to claim some of the identities of the deceased. In order to establish that is what the authorities and the police have gone on to say. So this is the Gujarat High Court, which has taken cognizance of that fire tragedy, saying that it was man-made, the disaster was completely man-made. The bench also noted that highly, there were materials such as petrol, fibers, fiberglass sheets. They were all stored at that facility, which is actually substances that can catch fire very easily.